All right, I had some lights go out, my 12 volters on my landscaping. So I just purchased this off Amazon. And I gotta say, I'm kind of pretty happy about it, man. It's like very sturdy. It's not all plastic. It's all like a alloy, a steel alloy. And man, they look good. I mean, I think these are gonna work great. And what the nice thing is I don't have to strip the wires. They're all ready to go. And you get 2 of them in here. And the price is really reasonable. It also has these splicers that you can use, real quick, simple. It has some little nuts and screws and some directions. But we already know how to do it, right? All right, so anyway, it's kind of simple here. You've got your little thing here, and you're going to screw it into this, just like that, right? So in here they have the little screws, and so we only get a certain amount of stuff. It's not a screwdriver. You got to use an Allen wrench to do this. So we're just going to pop this out. All right, so basically what you got to do is push this through here. So I'm pushing it through the bottom. You see that? And then I can actually kind of hold it with my finger and then kind of just twist this on. I'm hoping I can. There we go. So yeah, you can just do that. Just kind of put pressure on it and spin it. And you get to one point, you're just going to have to get the wrench in there, and you turn it here, get it in the top of the nut, and just hold it, and then you can spin it, get it tight, just like that. All right, that's on there. Bam, one and done. Let's get the other one out of here. It takes me longer to get the screw out than it does to do it. Okay, so we'll grab this locking one here, right? And then again, what we're going to do is we're going to push it through this center hole, just like that. I'm going to hold on to it, and then I'm just going to go righty-tighty with this, try to get it in there and get it started. Once I got it started, then I can get the, I think I can get the Allen wrench on it now. Set it in there. Just like that. All right, now I can just screw this on. See what I'm doing? Just holding it in. I mean, that's it right there. Done. Screw it right on, nice and tight. Give it a pull, then you can get your Allen wrench out. So now these are ready to go, and you can like adjust them. And if you get them to the point where you want them, you just tighten her down like this. And that tightens it wherever you're gonna point it. But these 2 here, we're gonna stick out by our one tree. And yeah, I think that's gonna work great. I wanna save that Allen wrench. So, because you may need it. All right, now all we gotta do is set it up outside.